Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I want to show you guys how to draw a fire hydrant. So to start off with our fire hydrant, you want to begin right here on your paper and you want to draw a straight line across. So let's start right about here and let's make a nice straight line across. Now, on the sides here, you want to draw a straight line down on each side. And then we want to make another line that just goes straight across to connect these two lines. So you have a little rectangle shape right there. Starting right here, we want to make the sides of our fire hydrant. So we're going to make two lines that go straight down. Just draw a nice line that goes straight down here, and one that goes straight down. And you want to try to line them up best you can. It does not have to be perfect. Then, starting right here, we're just going to connect these two lines with another straight line. It almost kind of looks like a flower pot right now. Now, starting here at the bottom, I'm going to draw a line that goes out, and then it's going to come down. And right here, you want to do the same thing. Go out a little bit and then just go straight down. And at the bottom here, we want to connect these. So we're just going to make a nice little straight line right across to connect these. Next, we're going to start at the top. So right here, we want to make a nice big sad face. So it's going to start inside a little bit. It's going to go up, down, and then come right to here. So you just start right here, draw a nice big line that curves up, and then it just comes right down to here. Now, at the top of here, we want to make the little spot where the water comes out. So right here at the top, I'm going to make a really small rectangle shape. And right above this, I'm going to make just a little bit of a bigger rectangle shape that goes right around here. Just sits on top. Now we're going to do kind of the same thing over here on the sides. Let's start on this side first. So you want to draw a little line that goes out. It's going to come down, and then it's just going to go in like this. And then we're going to do the same thing over here. So we're going to make another one of those rectangle shapes. So we're going to go out, you go down, and then in like this. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to curve up. It's going to come down, and it's going to curve right to here. And then I want to do the same thing over here. I'm going to curve up. I'm going to go down and then curve right to here. Now, we want to make kind of like a cartoony fire hydrant right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a little face onto here. So starting right here, I'm going to add a big circle. And then I'm going to put another big circle right over here for some eyes. And you don't have to do this. This is just some extra stuff just to make it a little bit more fun. I'm going to color in a black dot inside each one. Right across here, I'm going to draw a little straight line for a mouth. Then I'm going to make a line that goes up and down here. And then a little curved line for the tongue. And you can always color this part in of the mouth right here. Then I'm going to give my fire hydrant just some little eyebrows. And for some details, I'm going to draw a couple little curved lines. So I'm going to make a little curved line here, one right here, one here, and then one more right here. Just for some detail on there. And then right here at the bottom, I want to add just a little bit more. So I'm going to draw a little line that's just going to curve down on each side. And then I just want to connect this with a straight line across, just to add a little more detail onto our fire hydrant. Then I'm going to come in here and I'm just going to add a few little tall sad faces, or kind of like an upside down letter U, all along the bottom here of my fire hydrant. Then right across here, I'm going to add a little half circle on each side. And I'm going to add a few little circles right across here. Then starting right up here, I want to add some water coming out of here. So to do this really easy, I'm just going to draw a line that's going to go up and it's going to curve around and come back down. Then I want to add another one and I'll go up and down for a little bit of a different look. I'll add one here and one more and then just bring it down. Then I want to add some little water drops splashing around. So to do this, you just want to draw a line that curves around and then it comes back to a point. And I'm going to put about 3 of them in here. And there you go. There is your drawing of a little cartoon fire hydrant. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.